A capacitor is of 100 microfarad. Problems are very simple of this chapter. And a coil has resistance of 50 ohms. Resistance 50 ohm. And inductance 0.5 Henry. L is 0.5 Henry. Are connected in series with 110 volt. That means ERMS. And 50 hertz supply, so frequency. Calculate RMS value of current. To get current from voltage, we require resistance. Here it will be impedance. मतलब फिर से lengthy process. First get XL, which is omega L, which is 2 pi FL. That means 2 into 3.14 into 50 into L.5. 50 into 2 is 100. 100 into 3.14 is 30. 314 into 0.5. That will become 157 ohms. Now Xc equals to 1 upon omega C. 1 upon 2 pi Fc, which is 1 upon 2 pi into F50. C is 100 micro, convert into only farad. So this is 1 upon pi. 50 into 2 is 100. 100 into 100 into 10 raised to minus 6. That will become 10 raised 1 upon pi into 10 raised to minus 2. 100 upon pi. कैलसी से बोलो कितना है 100 upon pi? 100 upon pi कैलसी से just check how much it is coming.
31.84.
31.84 ohms. चलो कॉपी करो इधर तक. एक्सेल मिला, एक्सी मिला. अभी जेड निकालने के लिए डिफरेंस करना चाहिए. This sum will be 4 marks in the exam when it comes. Next lecture, this chapter will get over and I will start with MCQ of this chapter.
Done, sir.
Okay. Everybody has done?
No, sir. Wait, sir.
Okay.
Done, sir.
Okay. So I got XL, XC. Now we have to find first X, then impedance, then IRMS equals to ERMS upon impedance Z. This is XL minus XC. XL 157. XC कितना था? Something point.
31.84.
How much?
31.84.
31.84. So if we subtract this, this will be 10 minus 4, 6, 9 minus 8, 1, 6 minus 1, 5, 15 minus 3, 12, 125.16. Impedance Z equals to root of R square plus XL minus XC square. Now R square, R is given as 10 ohm. No, R कितना दिया है? 50 ohm. So 50 square plus 125.16 square. After solving this, you will substitute here. ERMS is 110 and this Z you are going to calculate from here, substitute. Answer as per the given is 10.816 ampere. Leave the space for calculation. Completed?
Yes.
Next, sum number 19. Find the capacity of capacitor. That means C. Capacity of capacitor means C. When put in series with 10 ohm resistor. Put in series with 10 ohm resistor. Makes the power factor. Power factor means cos phi. Power factor is cos phi. Power factor is cos phi, and cos phi is 0.5. To have power factor 0.5, assume that 80-volt supply is having 100 hertz AC supply. So 80-volt means ERMS, and this is frequency. Cos phi is R by Z is the formula. So it is R square, R of root of R square plus here XC square. Cos phi is given 0.5 and R is given 10. So I'm just squaring both sides so that root will vanish. So 0.25 equals to R square upon R square plus XC square. So 0.25 R square plus 2.5 XC square equal to R square. So this will become 0.5 0.25 XC square is 0.75 R square, 25 into 3. So XC is root 3 times R. XC is root 3 times R. 2 pi FC is root 3 into R. Therefore, C is root 3R upon 2 pi F. Okay. No need of voltage here. Solve. This is first part. Then second part. So root 3 into 10 upon 2 into 3.14 into 100. एक zero cancel करो. So 1 minute beta. 1 upon 2 pi FC it is XC. then it will be log calculation. Completed?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Because all are log calculations, so you have to be familiar with handling log. If not, when we meet practically, then one lecture I will take for log. 20. Find the time required for 50 hertz, time required for 50 hertz alternating current to change its value from 0 to RMS value. Time required to change its value from 0 to RMS. This is alternating current. We want time taken for it to become from 0 to RMS. So we all know I equals to I0 sine omega t. They're telling I should become IRMS, then what is the time? So if I is IRMS, this is omega, which is 2 pi f time we want. IRMS is I0 by root 2 equals to I0 sine of 2 pi into 50t. Now sine of inverse of 1 by root 2 will become 100 into t. That is nothing but pi by 4. Pi by 4 equals to 100 pi into t. T will get cancelled. So t equals to 1 by 4 into 10 raised to 2. Therefore t equals to 0.25 into 10 raised to minus 2, or we can say 2.5 into 10 raised to minus 3 seconds. So time taken to go from 0 to RMS value. That means at any instant when current I becomes RMS, I wanted time. So I started with formula of alternating current. I becomes RMS, time t is how much? Important for entrance. Solve.
That's it.
Okay. Next sum we are reading. Just read next one. One of you read next one. One of you read the next one.
Calculate the value of capacity in picofarad,
Correct.
which will make 101.4 microhenry inductance to oscillate with frequency of 1 megahertz.
To oscillate with frequency of 1
Megahertz.
megahertz. Okay. देखो ये माइक्रो है, so I can convert this in 1.1 0.4 into 10 raised to minus 6 Henry. Finding answer in picofarad means if you get something into 10 raised to minus 12 farad, then this 10 raised to minus 12 is called 1 picofarad, or 1 picofarad is 10 raised to minus 12 farad. They have given to oscillate with frequency of 1 megahertz. So for oscillation, I have not explained you theory, खाली मैं formula लिख देता हूँ. For oscillation, in fact for LC oscillation it is called half Li square is half CV square. For to oscillate बोला है ना, with frequency of 1 megahertz. So when XL becomes XC, then it oscillates. One is energy, half Li square across inductor is half CV square. Second, we can use resonance concept. When it is oscillating, then it is at resonance. So F formula we know 1 upon 2 pi root of LC. Therefore, F square will become 1 upon 4 pi square L into C. So C will be 1 upon 4 pi square L F square. So 1 upon 4 into 3.14 square into L 101.4 micro is 10 raised to minus 6 into frequency is 1 mega 10 raised to 6 ka square. Okay, just write this formula. For oscillation, frequency is 1 upon 2 pi root LC. और energies are equal. अभी इधर voltage नहीं दिया, so I didn't went for energy. Just leave the space for calculation after this.
No, sir.
Next one. A 10 microfarad capacitor. 10 microfarad capacitor is charged to 25 volt. Battery is disconnected and inductor of 100 millihenries connected across that capacitor so that LC oscillations are set up. Calculate maximum current in the coil. So for LC oscillation. What is LC oscillation? So far I have not explained you. Just remember that formula which I am going to write. For LC oscillation, energy in capacitor becomes energy in inductor. मतलब एक बार एनर्जी कैपेसिटर में स्टोर होता है, एक बार इंडक्टर में. Energy across capacitor we have studied half CV square. Across inductor also you have studied half Li square. Half gets cancelled. C is 10 micro, so 10 into 10 raised to minus 6. V is 25 square. L is 100 milli, so 10 raised to minus 3 into I square. So 10 raised to minus 5 into 625 equals to 10 raised to minus 1 into I square. So I square will be 10 raised to minus 1 comes down, goes up, minus 4 into 625. So I will be 25 into 10 raised to minus 2, which is 0.25 ampere. This is maximum current at LC oscillation. Answer 0.25. Solve now. This part I have to explain you. Completed?
Yes.
Okay. Twenty-third. This is last numerical. 23rd. 100 microfarad capacitor. 100 microfarad capacitor. C is 100 microfarad, which is 100 into 10 raised to minus 6 farad, 10 raised to minus 4 farad. Is charged with 50 volt supply. Then source is removed and capacitor is connected to inductor. Same concept. As a result of which 5 ampere current flows through the circuit, through the inductance. Calculate value of inductance. So same sum for LC oscillation half CV squared is half Li squared. I can cancel this half. So L equal to CV square upon I square. We want inductance L. C is 10 raised to minus 4. This is 50 ka square. Current is 5. So 5 ka square, 10 raised to minus 4. 25 into 10 raised to 2. 5 square 25 equals to 10 raised to minus 2 Henry. और आंसर में लिखा है 0.01 हेनरी. सेम ना? Completed? Okay, right. Have you understood the concept?
Yes.
खाली फॉर्मूला आपको मालूम नहीं है. फॉर्मूला आई हैव टू एक्सप्लेन.
Yes, sir.
Sure. चोक कॉइल. अभी 3 थियरी बाकी है. एक चोक कॉइल, एक एलसी ऑसिलेशन और एक शार्पनेस ऑफ रेजोनेंस और क्यू फैक्टर. चोक कॉइल. इफ आई यूज ट्यूबलाइट, वो 60 वॉट ऐसा सब रहता है ना, 60 वॉट 40 वॉट ऐसा ट्यूबलाइट. तो इसको 220 वोल्ट देंगे ना, तो शायद ये फिलामेंट इसके अंदर जो रहता है इसमें मेल्ट. बट मुझे जो सोर्स से मिलने वाला है ऑल्टरनेटिंग, वो 220 है. उसको मैं जाके बोल नहीं सकता हूं मुझे कम दो. सो बाय सम मींस आई शुड रिड्यूस द वोल्टेज अक्रॉस दिस. तो एक तो सिंपल मेथड क्या है, whenever you connect resistance in series, तो रेजिस्टेंस वोल्टेज खा लेगा ना थोड़ा, बराबर. हेलो.
Yes.
अभी रेजिस्टेंस ने अगर वोल्टेज खा लिया सपोज 200, तो इसको कम वोल्टेज मिलेगा, मतलब अपना ये डिवाइस विल नॉट डैमेज. सो इफ आई वांट टू रिड्यूस द करंट फ्लोइंग थ्रू एनी डिवाइस, आई कैन यूज रेजिस्टेंस, बिकॉज रेजिस्टेंस सीरीज में वोल्टेज खाएगा, तो इसका वोल्टेज कम आएगा, इसमें करंट कम जाएगा. आर यू गेटिंग मी?
Sir, can you explain once again?
You are disconnected or connected?
Connected.
I said this is one tube light, operates at 40 volt, पर सप्लाई मेरे पास 220 वोल्ट है. तो ये वोल्टेज कम करना पड़ेगा ना इधर. हेलो.
हाँ सर.
तो ये सप्लाई का वोल्टेज रेजिस्टेंस वोल्टेज खाता है ना, बराबर ना?
हाँ. हाँ.
तो इस अगर इधर रेजिस्टेंस लगा दिया, तो इफेक्टिव वोल्टेज इसको ये ले लेगा और बाकी का इसको देगा, मतलब इसको कम वोल्टेज मिल सकता है.
हाँ.
कम वोल्टेज मिल रहा है मतलब कम करंट फ्लो हो रहा है ना सर्किट में.
हाँ. Okay.
That means can I say like this, if we want to reduce the voltage across a device, we can connect series resistance of high value, so voltage will be reduced.
Yes.
But resistance produces heat, formula is I square RT, or it takes power which is ERMS into IRMS in AC circuit.
Yes.
तो लॉस ऑफ पावर होएगा ना इधर, क्योंकि इसने वोल्टेज ले लिया.
Hmm.
So
Okay.
that means I should have some method. पावर भी ज्यादा नहीं लगना चाहिए, क्योंकि पावर ज्यादा है मतलब ज्यादा पैसा खर्चा होएगा। नहीं समझ में आया लगता है। ये पावर अगर लॉस हो रहा है तो क्यों हम लोग इसको अननेसेसरी यूज करेंगे ना, क्योंकि चाहिए
हाँ
कम। तो ऐसा कुछ करें कि पावर भी कम होएगा और अपना डिवाइस भी बचना चाहिए। ऐसा करने के लिए कॉइल लगाते हैं इसको सीरीज में, जो इंडक्टर रहता है। इसके साथ में थोड़ा रेजिस्टेंस भी रहेगा, बिकॉज एवरी कॉइल विल हैव सम वायर। वायर मतलब रेजिस्टेंस होएगा।
Hmm.
हाँ, वापस मैं समझा रहा हूँ, वापस कॉन्सेप्ट समझ लो, पहला खुद से लिख सकते, कुछ नहीं है।
Okay.
So if we want to limit the potential or flow of current, then resistance can be connected in series. ये समझा?
हाँ सर।
But large amount of power will be lost. Large amount of power will be lost across the resistance, and hence heat will be produced.
हाँ
So choke coil will help to minimize the effect of power loss. Now we will see what is choke coil. पहला इतना पैराग्राफ लिखो. Right.
okay.
If we want to limit the potential across a device, if we want to limit potential across a device, then we can connect a resistor in series. But resistance will dissipate power, dissipate heat, and power will be lost. Hence, to minimize the potential without power loss, choke coil is used. Now we'll see what is choke coil. Means how it can reduce without less heat or less power. Can I clear now this one?
Yes, sir.
So कभी भी अगर वोल्टेज कम करना है हम लोग रेजिस्टेंस यूज कर सकते हैं, लेकिन एसी सर्किट में पावर डिसिपेटेड इन रेजिस्टेंस इज ERMS IRMS होता है, कोसाइन फैक्टर नहीं आएगा इसमें। तो बहुत पावर लॉस होएगा, बिल ज्यादा आएगा और हम लोग वो पावर को यूज भी नहीं कर रहे। सो वी डोंट गो बाय दिस मेथड, सो वी यूज चोक कॉइल। नाउ व्हाट इज चोक कॉइल? चोक कॉइल इज एक्चुअली इंडक्टर। अब इंडक्टर है लेकिन थोड़ा तो रेजिस्टेंस रहता है ना कनेक्टिंग वायर का। सो इट इज एन इंडक्टर connected in series with the device. अभी क्या होगा देखो, it consists of, choke coil is an inductor used to reduce AC current passing through circuit without much loss. It is made up of thick insulated copper wire wounded in a large number of turns over soft iron core. मतलब एक लोखंड का टुकड़ा रहता है, एक coil wounded रहता है, insulated soft iron core. Now this will have reactance equals to 2 pi FL when connected to the AC source of frequency F, and this is R connected. Now because of this reactance, total resistance of circuit is increasing, तो current ये value कम हो जाएगा. कम तो resistance से भी हो रहा था, तो एक्सेल से क्या हुआ, कैसे कम होके क्या फायदा हुआ. Now average power dissipated in the choke will be ERMS, IRMS cos phi, and cos phi equals to R by Z. Z is root of R square plus XL square. This much clear? If I want cos phi to be less, cos phi is multiplier, cos phi मुझे कम चाहिए, तो R कम चाहिए क्या ज्यादा चाहिए? R. हेलो, ये न्यूमरेटर ज्यादा चाहिए क्या कम चाहिए?
कम चाहिए.
मतलब अगर ये मुझे आंसर कम लाने का है, पावर फैक्टर को ज्यादा लिया तो फिर से पावर लॉस होएगा, ये कम करने का है. R must be less and XL must be large ना denominator.
Yes, sir.
So that means my power loss will be reduced with same effect if I take a choke coil whose inductor is large and resistance is very small, so that this power factor becomes close to zero. If it becomes zero, power loss is less, till I can have the voltage. So to prevent the energy loss, choke coil is used with high reactance and least resistance. ये choke coil का काम है. So they can ask you, what is use of choke coil? To limit the current without much loss of power. How? Its value is large, L, and R is small, then dissipation will be less and power loss will be less, and our devices will be prevented from being damaged. Okay? सबको समझा नहीं शायद? See again. फिर मैं writing part में आपको लिख के देता हूँ बाद में. This is resistance. If I take only resistance across AC source, I think you know power is ERMS into IRMS. बराबर? But it is resistance of very low value and coil connected with AC source with large inductor. So power will be ERMS, IRMS, cos phi. Already have proved, and cos phi is R by Z. So this R upon Z means root of R square plus XL square. So if I want to have this factor small, so R must be small, L must be large. So power loss will be close to zero. If denominator this becomes negligible, then you know cos phi R by Z. So if cos phi is nearly 1, तो answer 0 हो जाता है. So this will be close to 0. Hence power loss will be reduced minimum, and the device such as tube light with which this choke is connected in series, actually symbol है choke का, दो लाइन और ऊपर ऐसा रहता है, इसके साथ थोड़ा सा वायर का रेजिस्टेंस होएगा, तो थोड़ा रेजिस्टेंस हाई इंडक्टर इसका वोल्टेज कम करेगा प्लस साथ में पावर लॉस नहीं करेगा, तो डबल फायदा है अपने को. पावर भी लॉस नहीं हो गया, इसका डिवाइस भी वेस्ट, यू विल नॉट गेट डैमेज बिकॉज वोल्टेज मिनिमाइज किया, मतलब करंट मिनिमाइज किया इन सीरीज. दैट इज कॉल्ड choke coil. So use of choke coil is to limit the current without much power loss. Clear? हेलो?
Yes, sir.
अभी इसका भी ना मैं राइट अप लिख के आपको देता हूँ नोट्स में. दो थ्योरी रह गया है. वन इज आई सेड LC oscillation and sharpness or resonance, also called as quality factor. So that's all for today. That is theoretical part. I will explain you in depth. Writing part I will give you as a printed notes, or I will write and send on the group, so that explanation के लिए time बहुत मिलेगा. So that will complete our chapter called